Okay, next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select the Bezier tool and I'm going to draw a vertical line straight up and down, and then off to the left side of that I'm going to draw a triangle, and then I'm going to draw this exact same vertical line straight up and down. I want it to be in the exact same spot as that first one I drew, and then I'm going to draw another triangle on the right side. And I'm trying to make this look like a pyramid. So this looks pretty good, but in order to make it look even more accurate, I'm going to fill in this triangle. So I'm going to use fill and stroke. If this weren't open, just go to Object, Fill and Stroke. And normally when I fill in a color, I use a solid color. But I'm going to use a linear gradient, and a gradient just means it changes from one color or a lot of a color to a different color or no color at all. So right now the left-hand side is really dark and the right-hand side is really light. And if I want to change that, I want the dark or the light part to be up at the top. So I'm going to click on the gradient tool, which I can't see, so I'm going to click on this arrow and find the gradient tool. And now this line shows up with a square at one side and a circle on the other side. The square is the dark part, so I want to move that to the bottom, and I want to move the circle up to the top. So now I've got a nice triangle that's filled in with orange, and it's dark at the bottom, light at the top. I need to do the same thing to this other triangle. So use the select tool, click on the other triangle, use linear gradient again, and then like the other triangle started out dark at the left, light at the right, this one did too. So I need to change that. Use the gradient tool, move the square to the bottom, the circle to the top, make them look about the same on both sides. And now to make it look a little bit more like these two sides go together, I'm going to change the stroke paint from black to nothing on both of these. Stroke paint, nothing. And this one, it didn't go for some reason. Stroke paint, nothing. So now it looks like these two triangles kind of go together into a pyramid. And if I wanted to change that linear gradient a little bit more, so that you could still see the top of the triangle, I might want to do that.